I'm only half human, staring at the moon and wish I could touch the glow so soothing. Look to the sky for the feeling of the next place. Shiny disc says hello from far away. I've seen silver circles. I've seen silver circles.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Basically what we're doing today is I'm going to replace the LED fogs, the bulbs in my fog lights on my truck. I did buy a whole kit, but because my truck already has LED headlights, the bulbs don't fit. I was hoping I could just replace the running lights, but they don't clip up right, so we're just going to do the fog lights for now. But what we got was, I got these, the Amazon special Sealight here. Came with the whole kit. I guess they want you to wear these gloves too. Yeah, I'm not doing that, but here's the fogs. I got my bezel out of my truck already. As you can see, these ones that are in it are burnt out and they came apart, so I had to take the whole bezel apart so that I can get all the little pieces out of there and get the new one in. I know a lot of you guys have been watching my videos but aren't subscribed, so if you can, please go smash that subscribe button. Or you could just go watch 30 of the same videos in a row of dudes washing their SEMA trucks. I'm just kind of trying to make content like cheap upgrades and stuff that regular people can relate to. As far as taking these out goes, it's pretty simple. I took the headlight out because it was easier to kind of get to, because there's two bolts right here and then one up underneath, so instead of laying on the ground and trying to reach up in there, the headlight's literally just 3 bolts, one here, and then one on the side. Then you got to yank on it here and it pops right out, so it definitely made things a little easier that way. It sucks because I was hoping that those other LED headlights would at least fit in here for the fog or for the running lights, but like I said, the clip right there is different, unfortunately. So, all right, we got some old 35 half treads here. If someone's looking for some cheap tires, $200, get them out of my garage. So these here just twist and then pop right out. Like I said, as you can see, the old ones are all falling apart. Get all these pieces out of here. Like that game they used to have at Walmart where you drop the coin and it goes around in circles until it hits the hole. Alright, so we got the new ones in here. So with these LEDs too, you're gonna want the bulb, if you could see kind of how it looks like a flathead screwdriver, you're gonna want it to be up and down and not like twisted or anything like that, or it's gonna project all funny. Thought about painting these bezels white too while I had it out of here, but it's kind of whatever at this point. So I just threw them in and threw one bolt in the top here real quick and plugged it in. I want to make sure that they work before putting them all back together. Last thing I want is to bolt everything up and then not even work. So it looks like we're good to go. I got some nice white LEDs. I don't know why this one looks brighter though. Maybe it's just the sun. Yeah, I really hope the left one's not. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. Amazon for you. All right, I got everything back together here. It'll definitely be nice to have some fog lights finally. All right, it looks like this one's shining right now. Did paint the rocker panels the other day and cleaned up the rust on them, so it's definitely looking a lot cleaner. Took the straight pipe off. I have this Flowmaster aftermarket muffler that I put on. It still sounds good, but it's not like ridiculous. I added an extra hanger too, so that rattle that I was complaining about's finally gone. 3-inch the whole way back. I ordered a tip too, a nice black, like 4-inch tip, but the money never came out of my account and it never shipped, so I definitely got to see what's going on there. Yeah, I think we're gonna do some rock lights next, and then probably get those couple little lights that sit up here in the grill. I always see these 12th gens have the 3 lights here. I think that looks super clean. Definitely way brighter. We'll be blinded poor grandma on her Subaru now. Yeah, it's 10 times better. And now at night they look even too. Wraps it up for this one, guys. Definitely check me out on the next one. Thanks for watching.